What's up, everyone? Haven't really decided if I'm gonna post this on YouTube or not, but I just wanted to start like back testing some ICT strategies, and kind of record my learning progress. So, kind of get into it. I'm just gonna walk through what I see. Um, Still learning it, so I won't be correct all the time. But so to get started, look at 8:30 and find spots where there's gonna be liquidity on the other side. So I did that there, that low, and then these uh, long-term high and short-term highs. And then I would go into the 1 minute. You can go into the 5, but I kind of like the 1 minute. We'll actually go into 5. So um, I'm bearish on the day, but if I was bullish, I would be looking for this play, which is we took out the liquidity here, right? Broke this structure here, right? So took out these stops here, had a market structure shift, right? And then we retrace back into, there's no fair value gap here, but this order block here, right? So that could be your long entry, and then you'd be targeting, those spots of liquidity there, as you can see. So that would be the first play that I saw. The second one was, let's see. I think I liked going to the 1 minute for these, just because I can see the price action a little better. But so we took out this liquidity here. Really didn't take out any structure, right? Same thing here, just made relative equal lows, which you expect to break at some point. So that's a target eventually, right? So then we take out the liquidity up here, and we get a strong move down here, break this short-term low, right? And then you get a retracement, fair value gap right there, right? So that would have been my entry, stop-wise, right? Just enter right there. It's the top of that candle, right? So what is that? About eight points, 3. Yeah, about 8 point stop. Just seems it's not too bad. But then we would be targeting these short-term lows, right? And then also this low down here, right? Which, let's see if it hit, which it eventually hit, right? So you can see there. Just gonna leave it over here so we can look at the rest of the price action. So that's a pretty good risk to reward there. What is that? 5 points. Oh, that's only like 7. So 7 points for, 27. So about 3.5 risk to reward, and then 65. So like 9. So that's one play. That would be my play that I would like to take because I was bearish on the daily, right? I'm expecting this to make new lows. So I expect to see, I think he talks about it, the power 3. So a false move up and then your actual move. So that's what I was looking for. Oops. Let me move this. So, and then what you could do is like, since you are expecting to see lower prices here, anytime you get another breakdown, you can look to fill these fair value gaps here to add, right? Right there, you're risking 36 to, so 4 points there, and you're targeting the same at 39.10 and that. Once you, however, break down below this, like this, I wouldn't be adding really much to that. just because if we take like a fib here to the top of that, we want to, or I guess that's not the whole range, hold up. Right, we want to be selling short above this, equilibrium price, right? So once you get down into here, you're not going to want to be selling short. Like this fair value gap here, wouldn't want to be selling short. So that's just something I'm reminding myself of. And then you would trail your stops once you get a significant move down. So swing high. I think you could have got stopped out there. I don't know. I haven't really learned too much on trailing my stop yet. I'm still learning the intro of it. But if you wanted another ad, right here, for value gap, your stop is, say you enter right there, stops right there, and then you're looking to break this short-term low right there, and that low, and that low. So pretty decent ad there once it came back above that equilibrium price, right, on the, let's see. Yeah, see how it came back above that equilibrium price. So then it's in a premium, so you sell down or discount depending on which way you're looking at it. So, and then once it breaks this low here, I'm bearish on the day, but what you could look for is, I'd look for higher time frames. So I think probably 5 minute or so, getting a break in market structure. So like breaking these here. So let's see, once we break that, then we can go look for a play if we wanted to scalp it, right? So we break this market structure here after taking out the liquidity. We get a retracement right here into this fair value gap, right? So we have one there, one there. So you would take a lighter position there, expecting that it could come back down into here. Then once it holds, you're going to want to see this taken out, because that's where they're going to find, oops, let me fix that real quick. You're going to want to see this taken out, because that's where you're going to get more liquidity. And as you can see, taken out, short term low there, right? Once that breaks, you're going to look, we have a fair value gap here. I think if we went on a 2 minute, that'd be a fair value gap. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Yeah, there we go. 2 minute fair value gap there. Could sell short there, stops on the high up here, and then it's right into close, which is a little sketchy, but you would be targeting, or at least I would be targeting, kind of this order block right here. So that's kind of what I saw for the day. Don't know if I'll post this on YouTube. If I do, let me know what you guys think.